Holding on to the hand of self-destruction. And I'm back to a place that I left a long time.
All right, YouTube family. I'm adding concrete to this. This will be my entrance to the chicken coop. Taking more than I expected it. I think I dug it out too much. Well, that was unexpected. See, like right where I want it to be. Right there. I gotta put that back up. That's good right there. Check out the distance. I think I'm gonna put it about 40 inches. Right there. So the entrance is right at 40 inches, which would be wide enough for like a wheelbarrow or anything I want to bring in, I believe that'll be wide enough to cover it. All right, y'all, putting in the entrance. I got my brace board in. I'm gonna fill this all in with hardware cloth. I believe. I think I'm gonna do it like the rest of it and put hardware cloth on it. I'm about to add some more concrete to this post. It doesn't really need it, but and this is the only post that I'm doing that's gonna have concrete in it. Because concrete over time is gonna rot the wood eventually. But for the rest of the posts and stuff, I think I'm gonna just leave it tamped in. I may go back and put some concrete. I don't know. I'm gonna ask somebody that's more knowledgeable as far as carpentry work, as far as overtime, as far as the stability of this run, whether or not I need to add some. So let me just add, and this is a 50-pound bag of Crete high strength concrete mix. I'm not gonna add more than 50 pounds to it. It doesn't really need it. It's already stabilized, you know, with the top and bottom board. But tamp it down a little. Actually, I really don't need to tamp it down because it's not going to go anywhere, so I really don't need to do this step. I just need to fill the hole up. I'll tamp down the top of it, but it is definitely not going nowhere. So let me fill this hole up. All right, there we had it. So this is good to go. What I need to do now is I need to build a door for it. So again, the entrance will be 40 inches. So it'll be wide enough to accommodate a wheelbarrow or like a garden cart. If I want to bring in some wood shavings or pine straw, you know, whatever I need to bring into the chickens, or even take out, when I'm changing out their bedding or anything like that. So all right, YouTube family, I'm making the 40-inch wide door for the chicken run. I got it framed out right here. I'm about to screw it in. I'm gonna screw one end in, and then I'm gonna make sure my measurements is good on the other side of it. What do I do with my screws? All right, got my screws. All right, check my All right, I got one side screwed in. All right, YouTube family, I'm by myself today, so I didn't do a lot of filming, being that I needed both hands, and I didn't really feel like setting the tripod up at the time. But got the door installed, got the hinges on. Only got a couple of hinges in it. So yeah, that's good to go. What I'm gonna do next, as you can see, it closes all the way. I'm gonna put a let me show y'all what I got. So I have this self-adjusting latch system to go on it, and I got a handle to go with it. So I'm gonna get this installed. It'll sit like right here on the door, and I do still have to put the middle piece back on the. I think that's what I'm gonna do anyways. I took it off briefly, but I think I'm gonna follow the design and put a middle brace right here in the middle. But yeah, the doors is up. I have not. This one is finished. I just have to add some hardwood cloth to it as far as closing in this entrance. But I think I'm gonna wait till I get my wife to come help me. As far as cutting and placing and stuff like that, I want it to be neat and stuff like that. So, but yeah, got the door up, got it leveled, where it's not scraping or anything like that on the bottom. Got it level, and yeah. So let's get this installed and let go. This is from National Hardware. It's got like a black finish on it. Show y'all that kit. And actually, let me show y'all the hinges I have on it. So I bought 3 hinges, but it really don't need but 2 on it, and I got one on the bottom right here. So 2 hinges on it. I'm gonna add some more screws in the framing of the door itself, just to secure it a little bit more, because it's only got 2 in each, as far as each corner. So I'm gonna add that, and like I said, once my wife gets out here, or whoever else I can get to help, I'm gonna put the hardware cloth and finish this in, and then the run will be officially finished. It's a little crooked. Let me fix that. All right. I'm not gonna screw it all the way down. I'm gonna check to make sure I got it now. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna adjust it now. See what we got. It should be good right there. So let me get that top one. All right. Okay. Moment of truth. That's it. As y'all can see, that'll do it. So I'm gonna just add the other screws to it. Bolt screws, and we'll call it. All right. Adjust it this way. Oops. that's it. She locks. I got a, I think it's called a carabiner to keep it closed. But yeah, that'll do it right there. So let me, I got the handle right here. Let's see, I think it, or I could do it like right here. I think I'm gonna put it right there in the center. Yep. Put the other end in, then I'll adjust it the other side. You know, perfect. It just has to have the appearance of it, you know. Oops. All right. There she goes. She installed. And I wanted it to swing out this way because we got the water faucet right here, hook up and stuff like that. So what I wanted to do is be able to come in and access the run this way and lock back up. So there she is. And I guess I could move that handle a little later, but I'm not worried about where the placement is now. So, but yeah, the door is installed, y'all. Got the door installed. So, yep. I don't think I have to worry. There is a little gap on the bottom on that brace board. Let me see. Yeah. I'm not too worried about it. It's probably like an inch gap right here between this plate, this bottom plate, the door plate, and the bottom of the run. But I'm not too worried about that. I can put like a guard or something like that on the bottom. Maybe like a rubber guard or something like that that'll be able to slide with the door. I'm not sure. But yeah, it is cold out here, y'all. It's cold. But but I got it.